Hey! So for today's video I wanted to do another one of these like testing weird Instagram ads video. I did another one before which was the Diablo, not exactly sure exactly how you actually say it, which was the testing the lash lift, DIY lash lift kit from Diablo, and that got a really good response from you guys. You loved it and loads of people asked me to do a similar style of video. So as I was scrolling through my Instagram feed, as we all do on a night time, I came across an advert for these magnetic lashes which caught my eye, if you pardon the pun, because it was like eyeliner that you put on as normal, like a cat wing, which was magnetic, and then you attach the fake eyelashes with the magnet. So I wanted to put it to the test because it looks like it worked really well, but obviously in these Instagram adverts, they're not always as they seem. So I'm going to test it today. They have loads of different brands out there for these magnetic liner and eyelash duo kit things. So the brand that I chose was by EYELASHES, just because it's really accessible in the UK. I bought these from Boots, so they weren't that expensive. I'll put the price on screen. So let's try it. Let's just try it. But if at any point you realise that you do like this video and you want me to try another Instagram ad or any other things like weird products that you've seen floating around the internet, then just comment down below and I might just do that in a video in the future. And while you're there, just subscribe as well, because why not? This is the Faux Mink Wispy Kit. Comes with the liner at the top, eyelashes, and obviously there's no glue included because you don't need the glue. I mean, there is a lot of excess packaging now that I've taken the first layer off. Like, what is this bit about? Bit weird. Okay, so I'm just gonna zoom you in so that you can get a good look at me putting on the liner first. Oh, it's not got a very nice tip. It looks like a bit like a nail varnish brush, but thinner. Oh, I don't really like these kinds of eyeliners. Much prefer the ones that are like more sturdy and solid. But let's give it a try. Hang on, let me come closer because I need to get this right first time. I can't be asked to keep taking this off and on again, you know what I mean. It's very thick. It doesn't go on as badly as I was expecting it to. I was expecting it to be really difficult to apply, but it's not actually that bad. Try and do a little flicky. Oh, that actually went quite well. Also good to bear in mind that I am sitting at least 1.5 feet away from the mirror so I can get a good angle on the camera. But normally when I apply my eyeliner, I would be a lot closer to the mirror. But just for the sake of the video, I am sitting further back, so this is more difficult. Oh no, I've ruined it. Why did I do that? Okay. That's not bad. I've done it like the same amount of thickness that I would normally do my eyeliner, and actually I feel like it's quite opaque, like is opaque the right word? Yeah, I think it is. Like, it's quite thick and it doesn't have any like gaps or anything in it. If you look really closely though, it does kind of have like a little grey tint to it. It's not completely black. I'm guessing that's something to do with the magnets, but I don't know. Okay, so now for the moment of truth, I'm gonna try and put the eyelashes onto the liner. If this works, it's going to be a bit of a game changer. Oh, I've dropped one on the floor. What a great start. I'm going to try and get it as close to the base as I can, but obviously it's magnet, so I don't really have a lot of control over it. But let's just go for it, shall we? That didn't... Okay, well, it's not working. Oh my god, it's not working. Right, maybe I have to do it while it's still wet. Guys, it's not working, look. It's not working at all. Also, I didn't really read the instructions, maybe I should have done that. Step 1, apply liner and allow to dry. Oh, apply 2 more coats and then apply the lashes. Okay, let's add 2 more coats. My bad. I feel like adding 2 more coats kind of defeats a lot of the point because you're gonna run out of this eyeliner pretty quick if you're applying 2 coats every time. Okay, that's coat number 2 on. I'll leave that to dry and then add 1 more. Okay, so the third layer is now dry. I'm just gonna get a close up on what the liner looks like because it's looking really thick. I don't know if you can see it, but this eye in particular It's looking quite thick. You can see she's got a few layers on her. But that said, it still looks relatively smooth and there's no like cracks in it, so that's good. I'm really scared this isn't gonna work again and this video is gonna be a complete fail. Oh, oh my God, it doesn't work! That does not work. Oh my God, I'm so annoyed. That was £13 just wasted. I'm going to write a letter of complaint because I followed those instructions perfectly. Nothing. Not even a little bit. Oh, I'm so annoyed about that. What a waste of my money and time. I'm not even joking, it doesn't even work a little bit. Like, watch this. That is fully on there. It doesn't even work a little bit. Imagine how tired we are. I really thought that that was gonna work. All the videos on Instagram make it look so easy. Oh, what a friggin' fail. I'm sorry, but how can you market a product, go through testing, all the way through testing, multiple people will have tested this to see if it works and it's worth selling. It somehow made it to Boots and it just does not work. I am quite shocked at how bad that was. I wasn't expecting it to be like amazing, to be honest, but I was expecting it to kind of work and it just doesn't even kind of work. I actually rate EYELASHES as a brand, but now I feel like, what are you doing? Like, how has this made it through? Wow. So I am kind of glad that I made this video actually, because even though it was a fail, at least I can warn people, do not waste your money on this because it don't work, honey. I'm gonna try one more time on my hand, just while it's wet, because maybe it has to be wet for it to stick, but I mean, that's not what the instructions said. No, nothing. Right then, okay, well there we are. I actually can't let that go. I can't believe how badly that might be the worst product that I've ever tried in my life, because it didn't do a single thing as what it said on the packet. Okay, well, I hope this video was informational, if nothing else. And hopefully it's a warning and you kind of go out of your way to avoid this product. Maybe it was just that specific product, because in the Instagram advert's defense, it wasn't that specific EyeLure product that was advertised on Instagram, so maybe it's that one that I need to try. Maybe I should do a 2.0, because I'm really sorry that this is going to be boring for a lot of you because it just didn't work. But got to tell the truth, haven't I? I can't just sit here and be like, it works, when it doesn't. So yeah. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you are as shooketh as I am, please leave a comment down below so we can talk about it a little bit. Let me know if you've tried anything similar, or if there's any other brands like this that do the magnetic eyelashes that actually work. Let me know down below as well. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm so annoyed. I really wanted that to work. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.